Oh, gel plus the shade. 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 Don't that come with it? With a pedicure? Cutting down the toenails and shaping it up. Don't that come with it? So what can I say to you? But I'm off there. Had to fall back. You got everybody thinking I'm all back. Y'all, welcome back. Y'all might be thinking, hold on, is this the same person? Yes, it literally is. But I do have locks. Did I disclose that last time? Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. But now you guys know. I've had locks for about 2 years. These September or something will be 3 years. Let me show y'all. Like, don't play. And I feel like your natural self, like just seeing your natural self, it should just make you feel more confident. Like, this is me, this is real, you know. I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be now. Y'all remember that? Y'all remember that movie, Let It Shine? That was a good shine. Was that Let It Shine? Honestly, I don't know. I don't think it was Let It Shine. I think that was Camp Rock. Yeah, I definitely think that was Camp Rock. Yeah, that definitely was Camp Rock. Whoops, what am I talking about? Anyway, so yeah, today, y'all, it's really gonna be like a 2-day thing with this, because this is just a maintenance vlog, or this is just like maintenance for my birthday, like my birthday trip. My birthday is literally in 2 weeks. My birthday is January 29th. I turn 21 for the next 4 years. So yeah, I'm very excited. We're going to Bahamas, half moon something, and Grand Turks and Caicos. So I'm very, very excited about that. Like, this is my second cruise. This is me and my friend's second cruise. Our first cruise, we just went to the Bahamas, like, because that was our first cruise. It was only 3 days, and this cruise is 5 days. So we just gonna see what happens. When it comes to my hair, mainly my locks, like 10 out of 10, whenever I have a style with my locks, I do my hair. Why? Because I just don't need nobody bad energy. Oh, I'm like, and my auntie, she redo my friends sometimes. But yeah. Why? Because I just don't need that bad energy. Nobody bad juju on me. And then, like, when I get wigs and stuff, I only have one person that I go to. If you're looking at my nails, I am getting them done tomorrow. But yeah, I think that, I don't know if I want to do some island twists, or if I want to do some braids. But it's really leaning more towards braids, because I know for sure I know how to do that. Like, who don't know how to braid? So these are the twists that I kind of want. Probably like this. Like this on Pinterest. I grabbed this little bulk hair I seen the girls using on YouTube, and I use this Cuban Swiss. So I got 4 packs of those, and yeah, we just gonna see, like. Take him to the body, he was out of breath, but he kept on blessing all that. I'm trying to admit it, but you just can't fight the feeling inside. You know it, and I can see it in your eyes. You and me, you're smooth as a butter, you're so undercover by the way that you was watching me. The way you look at me, I'm feeling you. I just can't help but try to keep it cool. I can feel it in me when you do those things to me. Don't let nothing stop you. Leave me alone with the
toes done. And hopefully they have me a rental car today. Because one is definitely needed. But yeah, and I need to go to the hair store to get me some curlers for the end of my hair because it looks kind of crazy. I ever met somebody who is just bad on time? That's me. Like, one, I had a long night because I literally had to do my hair. Like, that just, yeah. Okay, and then another thing, y'all, my car is in the shop. Like, I used to be one of them people who used to be like, when people used to be like, oh, my car in the shop, like, I'd be like, they ain't got no car. But until it happened to me, when is it going to get out the shop? I don't know. It's been in the shop for 2 weeks. Like, honestly, I just want to get them back the car and they can give me my money back because this don't make no sense. Like, why would y'all have my car that long? I feel like when the car go in the shop, it don't need to be in the shop for a day. Really an hour. Basically, maybe a weekend. It's been 2 weeks, bro. They talking about, mind y'all, I go out of town tomorrow. I told them that I was going out of town yesterday. So what's going on? Like, I need me a rental today. Like, come on. So, like, the man, he be flirting with me and stuff. But honestly, I'm not into older guys. And when I say older guys, I mean, like, my daddy age. It's quite disgusting. But I'm not knocking nobody. If that's what you do, kudos to you, babe. Called me. Y'all, the very first time the man called me, it was like kind of odd. Cause he didn't really say nothing. Like, mom was like, so did he just call you to tell you good morning? Cause that's what it was giving. It was like, sir, I don't have time to play. Please, I don't have time to play with you. What I need you to do is fix my car. Get my car fixed. I got until 9 to get to my appointment. It's 8:39. I'm gonna make it though. It's in Riverside. I'm gonna make it. Or y'all think I should reschedule? I don't know. If we get to 8:50 and I don't feel like I'm close, then I'm just reschedule.
Do you love me? Do you want me? Are you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number?
Some of y'all go get washed. Some of y'all just go pop shit. Some of y'all just go talk. But none of y'all ain't really got shit. Some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you. Yeah, yeah. Only want your love if it's silent. But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it.
That's the way I like it.
Yeah, that's the way I like it.
You can smile but none of these bitches.
That's the way I like it.
Wiping them down in front of these niggas. That's the way I like it.
So I'm just not making it back in the car, and it is 12:30. Y'all, guess how much I spent? Like, usually when I go get my nails done by my nails tech, I just get gel and so I get gel nails and gel toes, and sometimes I get like a little thing on it, like a little design, but most of the time I don't. Yeah, and that ran me about $55 to $60, and I get my nails done every 3 weeks. Why? I got my nails done today in the Chinese shop. Yeah, let me give y'all I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna show y'all so y'all can tell me. First, I want y'all to guess the price, and then when I tell y'all the price, just go ahead and call me dumb. Y'all comment and tell me what y'all think. Tell me how much y'all think I paid for this, and I'm gonna tell y'all how much I paid. Y'all, why this cost $170? The nails alone was $110. $110. I remember when nails used to be $25. He gonna point at the paper where it say tip. Baby, your tip coming out that $170. That's what your tip at. Your tip is that 170. I'm finna call somebody to try to reimburse me because 170. And that's why I just wear my nails that God gave me for $60. Like, really, I could wear that for free and go get me some nail polish at Family Dollar or something. But y'all know what? That was a scam. And mind you, whole time, like, the only price thing that I seen was $35 for $35 for the pedicure. Why that came up to $60? Y'all, what is going on? I thought this was $35. He's talking about, oh, gel plus the shade. Shade. Don't that come with it? With a pedicure? Cutting down the toenails and shaping it up, don't that come with it? Okay. Shop black on, please and thank you, y'all. So I just had to come and ease my mind, and I just had to come get me a drink. Like, even though I told y'all I'm already relaxed and I'm not stressed, it's nothing to be stressed about because everything is always going to work out in my favor at the end of the day. But I just need something to just give me a breather, you know, calm me down. So we had Longhorn, and I got me a mango margarita and a Caesar salad. I don't gotta go pick up the car till 6, and my aunties stay it's 4:32. My aunties stay like 16 minutes away from the place, so we just came here, waste a little time. I still gotta go to O2, still gotta go to Ross, and I gotta go to Dollar Tree, and I need to print my labels off, but I can do that at home. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm gonna grab the bar drink. I'll be right back.
Okay, so I just made it to the airport. Our airport be so dead. Like, look, if you've been to a major city, you know this
There's our people.
is nothing. I gotta find what I'm looking for though. I'll be standing in this long line trying to get around the car. Nissan, they ain't got nothing else in their life to ever say to me, because this is ridiculous. Well, at least we finally done made it in the car. Don't take nothing for granted. No sunroof. Grandma not mad. Grandma just hurt. Yeah, I miss my car. Y'all tired of me saying that? Cause I miss my car. But this is a nice little car. Like, I don't know, y'all. I have an SUV, so it's just one of them things. Like, this is a little baby tiny car. But yeah, I still have to go to Ross. I need to go to the dollar store, and y'all, my day will be over. Can y'all believe the day I had? I'm sure y'all can't, but it happened.